is Whitney Wolfe, and how did she pioneer a revolution in the world of online dating? This question invites us into life of a trailblazer who dared to challenge the status quo. Whitney Wolfe, a name that echoes innovation, empowerment, and rebellion. A name that has left a significant mark on the online dating industry. But what's the story behind it all? Let's delve deeper. Whitney's professional journey began as a founding member of Tinder, a platform would eventually reshape the dating landscape. However, turbulence followed her tenure at Tinder on both personal and professional fronts, leading Whitney to part ways with the company she had helped establish. This, however, was not a full stop, but a comma. Her exit from Tinder birthed a fresh perspective, a resolve to empower women in the world of online dating. This resolve metamorphosed into Bumble, an app that flipped the traditional dating dynamics by empowering women to initiate the conversation. Bumble wasn't just another dating app, it was a declaration, a lighthouse for women to find their way in the often challenging world of online dating. Whitney's vision for Bumble was not confined to dating. Today, Bumble has unfolded into a multi-purpose platform extending to professional networking and friendship services. It has evolved into a comprehensive platform that continues to empower its users, particularly women, by giving them a safe and curated space. Whitney's journey is a reflection of her tenacity and unwavering devotion to her vision. Has tackled obstacles head-on, from spearheading Bumble's entry into regions with high rates of sexual violence, such as to stepping down as CEO, but maintaining her influence as executive chair. Throughout, Whitney Wolfe has remained a staunch proponent of women's empowerment, safety, and inclusivity in the online sphere. Her narrative transcends the creation of a successful business. It's about igniting a transformation in the online dating world, making it safer. Throughout her journey, Whitney has demonstrated that a woman can be a powerhouse of determination and innovation, capable of rewriting the rules of the game in any industry. Her story is a testament to the fact that a single individual, armed with an unwavering vision and unshakable determination, can engineer a paradigm shift and inspire a revolution. Her impact has been far-reaching, transforming perspectives and redefining norms in the sector of apps. In essence, Whitney Wolfe's journey has not been one without hurdles, but with each challenge she faced, she emerged stronger and more committed to her cause. The story of Whitney Wolfe is a testament to the power of resilience and determination, as well as the capacity for change. And if you're curious about the journey of this extraordinary entrepreneur and others, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. Why did Wolfe leave Tinder, a platform she helped build, and how did this decision lead to the birth of Bumble? This is a fascinating story, ripe for exploration. Whitney Wolfe, an individual deeply linked with redefining the dating app landscape, was amongst the key brains behind Tinder. Yet her time with the firm was far from an easy ride. Embroiled in a maelstrom of disputes and public scrutiny, Wolfe chose to sever ties with Tinder, marking a high-stress period in her life. But why? She left the company after suing his coworker for harassment. However, she exhibited formidable a quality that would be instrumental in her rebound from this difficult time. Rather than allowing this ordeal to hinder her ambitions, Wolfe saw it as an opportunity, a chance to build something unique, something divergent. She started to work with the Russian multimillionaire Andrei Andreev, who wanted to make money on the market of dating apps. And the result was Bumble, a novel dating platform crafted to champion women's autonomy. Bumble's distinctiveness lies in its design philosophy, empowering women in a way previously unseen in the dating app arena. Contrary to the majority of existing apps, which allow any user to start a conversation, Bumble vests this power solely with the women. This pioneering feature challenged the status quo, establishing a realm where women have the reins, facilitating a more respectful and balanced environment for all users. That's the difference between the apps. Bumble's inventiveness, however, was not confined merely to dating. Having identified the potential of human beyond romantic intentions, Bumble broadened its horizons, incorporating professional networking and friendship components into its services. This holistic, all-encompassing approach distinguished Bumble, solidifying its rank as a game-changer in the industry. The story of Whitney Wolfe Hurd is a magnifying glass into her unwavering perseverance and clear-sighted vision. From being an integral part of Tinder's inception to pioneering her own trail with Bumble, she has continually strived to challenge the norm and break barriers. So we've seen how Bumble was born out of a tumultuous departure. But how does it stand apart from Tinder? What sets Bumble apart from Tinder, And how has this difference contributed to its success? That's a question that keeps curious minds pondering. In this world of digital dating, the competition among platforms is fierce. The key to survival is uniqueness. Bumble, a notable player in this arena, has broken away from the traditional dating app model. It has successfully created a niche for itself by empowering women to take the reins. This approach has not only attracted a vast user base, but has also redefined the rules of the dating game. Bumble ingeniously flipped the script, shifting power dynamics by giving women the right to initiate conversations. This has significantly contributed to Bumble's distinct character, positioning it as more than a matchmaking app. It's a social platform that promotes equality, respect, and empowerment. However, Bumble didn't restrict itself to the dating domain. Seeing the immense potential in their user base, they daringly ventured into other spheres. Bumble expanded its portfolio to include professional networking and friendship-building services. This broadened focus has not only increased Bumble's appeal, but has also enabled it to reach a wider audience. The driving force this innovative platform is Whitney Wolfe. Her vision of creating a safe digital space where respect, inclusivity, and empowerment are prioritized has evidently struck a chord with users. Bumble's robust growth and popularity are a testament to that vision. The success of Bumble is not just measured by its user numbers, but also by the impact it has made. It has challenged the status quo, proving that a dating app can be more than just a medium for finding love. It can be a tool for societal change, a platform for empowerment, and a catalyst for inclusivity. Success, as they say, attracts success. In fact, Bumble has more than 100 million of active users around the world. That is crazy. So how has this success translated into wealth for its founder? Considering that the number keeps growing up every year since it started in 2014. But before we delve into that intriguing topic, a quick reminder, if you've not yet hit the subscribe button, how much is Whitney Wolfe worth today, and how did she amass this fortune? Now that's a question that's always on many minds. Whitney Wolfe's wealth accumulation isn't your usual success narrative. Rather, a unique and inspiring journey of resilience. As the brainchild behind Bumble, Wolfe created her fortune by challenging norms and promoting inclusivity in an industry frequently criticized for its lack of diversity and safety. A significant turning point in this trail was Bumble's public debut in 2021 when it reached $13.000 million in one day. It wasn't merely a big day for Wolfe, but a landmark event for women globally. She became the youngest female to take a company public, setting an impressive record. However, her journey to prosperity didn't end there. Under Wolfe's guidance, Bumble branched out beyond matchmaking, entering the realms of professional networking and platonic friendship services. Her vision to empower women with a focus on safety and inclusion saw fruition, with Bumble's parent company, Magic Lab, valued at a massive $3 billion. Indeed, let's delve into the numbers. As of June 2023, Bumble boasts 2.5 million paying customers. Consequently, Wolfe's net worth has surged impressively. Today, she proudly stands as a billionaire. Your ears didn't deceive you, she's a billionaire. Yet it's not merely about the financial aspect. Even after stepping down as CEO, Wolfe continues her mission of empowerment and innovation, now serving as Bumble's executive chairperson. Her current focus is on advocating for laws against digital sexual harassment, thereby furthering her vision for a safer digital space. Whitney Wolfe's narrative is an embodiment of perseverance and innovation, setting an example for entrepreneurs worldwide. So, how do you perceive her wealth and journey? Remember to share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button. Whitney Wolfe's journey is a testament to resilience. So, what do you think about her wealth and her journey? Don't forget to leave your opinions in the comment section below.